In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from ElevenLabs in just 5 minutes. Whether you want to stop a paid subscription or just tidy up your free accounts, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth process. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser. Choose your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other that you're comfortable with. Make sure your internet connection is stable so all pages load correctly, keeping the process quick and efficient. With your browser ready, the next step is to log into your ElevenLabs account. Navigate to the login page and enter your registered email address and password. If you've somehow forgotten your password, use the reset option to regain access. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see an option labeled Upgrade. Don't let the wording confuse you. Even though it says Upgrade, clicking here will lead us to the area where you can manage your current subscription settings. After clicking Upgrade, you'll find yourself on a page dedicated to all subscription details. Look for an option that says Manage Subscription. Clicking this will bring up all the crucial settings related to your current plan. You might need to scroll a little or find it in a drop-down menu, so keep an eye out. If you find that you're on a free plan, well, good news. There's nothing you need to cancel. Free plans don't have billing commitments, so you're already essentially unsubscribed in terms of payment. However, if you're currently on a paid plan, there's an essential step to follow to discontinue billing. For those with a paid subscription, your goal is to find the Cancel Subscription button, or a similarly labeled option like End Plan or Stop Billing. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process. Some services may ask for feedback or offer an incentive to stay subscribed, but simply follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And there you have it, a straightforward way to unsubscribe from ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you ensure your account settings are updated to reflect your current preferences. Remember, if you ever wish to resubscribe